Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, solid-state drive, wireless module, fans, and system board. Removal. On the bottom of the system board, disconnect the RTC battery from its connector on the system board and remove. Replacement. Connect the RTC battery into its connector on the system board.